This is for our ongoing ukulele workshop in jam. We have an ongoing play-by-ear practice the last few months of doing the 2 minor 5 1 chords as a chord substitution for whatever the 5 chord is in the key that we're doing this in. And today we're working in the key of D. So the 2 5 1 is some variation of an E minor to some variation of an A7 to the 1 chord, the root, home, which would be D. And we have 3 songs that we've been using as a template. And we're going to just start off with Mary Had a Little Lamb, which is an A, a D, and an A7. And we're going to do the chord substitutions down here. A D to an A7, we're doing an E minor to an A7, or an E minor 7 to an A7, or an E minor 7 to an A9. Let's try it. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Now we're going to do the song, oh dear, what could the matter be? And we're going to find a couple more tricks. We're doing a little D form right up here. It looks like I'm doing an A, but I'm sliding that baby so that my middle finger is on the 7th fret and my index finger is on the 6th. A down here, and that's a D. And then we're going to do our E minor 7, which is covering all 4 strings in the 7th fret. And then we're going to turn that into a rich A9 by sliding our index finger 1 fret towards the headstock. So here's our 1 chord. Here's the 2 minor, E minor 7. Here's the 5, an A9 in this case. And we get to just stay in one position. We get a whole different flavor. It's a waltz. A 1, 2, 3. Oh dear, what could the matter be? Dear, dear, what could the matter be? Oh dear, what could the matter be? Johnny is so long at the fair. It's pretty to finger pick that. Whoa! Now our third song is Getting to Know You. And we're going to bring in just another possibility of a chord substitution from a D to an A7. We're going to do an A7 suspended, which is 1 finger on the 2nd fret on that C string. And then we just slide it to get that A7. You might use your index, you might use your ring. We'll have to see what happens. So let's do that. Getting to know you. A 1, 2, 3. Getting to know you. Getting to know all about you. Look how we can change that up. Getting to like you. Getting to hope you like me. There's some great ideas for you to work on in the key of D.